Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Google Photos are missing, don't freak out. I will show you some real fixes that might bring them right back. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. Step first is to check the right Google account. Because photos are tied to your Gmail ID, to check, open the Google Photos app, which is right here. Now tap your profile icon on the top right and make sure you're signed into the account you used to backup your photos. If backup was not turned on, your photos were never uploaded. Tap your profile again. If it says backup is off, turn it on so future photos are saved. Only photos saved after backup was enabled will appear. Step third is to look in archive or trash because sometimes you didn't delete them, you just hid them. So for that, tap on the collections icon at the bottom. Now tap archive to see if you archived them. If it's still missing, tap on bin because Google keeps deleted photos there for 30 days. If it's beyond 30 days, deleted photos may be permanently gone. Fourth step is to use search or date filters because Google Photos is smart. Use it. Tap the search icon at the bottom right and from here, navigate to the search bar and type the date or location. Photos may be organized by face groups or albums, making them hard to spot in your main feed. If you took the photos on another phone or tablet, check if sync is on there too. Go to that device, open photos, and check if backup and sync is enabled under settings. If you used Google Drive before July 2019, there may be a Google Photos folder there. Open Google Drive, search for Photos folder, and if none of that worked, try logging in from a computer or contact Google support for help. And yes, that's it. Drop a comment if you need more help, like, share, and hit subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.